fine.
I didn't even realize this. We're talking about the caliber of vehicles in the shop today. Are high mileage, what, 10-year-old vehicles?
Yeah.
Let me see what this car is. 2013, so this is
13 years old.
13 years old vehicle. Still plenty of miles left in this car. But I wanted to show you that there's no BS. No. 240,000 miles. It's in really good shape. Once we fix the check engine light, no problem getting another 200, maybe even 300,000 miles out of this. Silverado right here, best engine in its class for GM in this year. Just wasn't maintenance properly, and he's struggling right now. He wants a frame rust inspection on top of the repairs he made today. Look at the inside of this truck. Look at the inside of this truck. He just wasn't getting the right advised maintenance, and that's why he's in trouble today. We'll just call this 306,000 miles on this, Jude. We're fixing the airbag. We actually got shorted a sensor today, which kind of sucks. I got to do a rust inspection. And then how many miles are on that? 200?
211.
211. What year is that? More and more people I'm seeing here are bringing their older cars in and putting a few $1,000s into them to keep them on the road for another 100 to 200,000 miles, payment free. And we're not talking $10,000 restorations here, and not even in some cases $5,000. A few $1,000s to fix up your car, catch up on the maintenance and repairs you're neglecting. So I'm going to do a rust inspection on the Silverado. Customer asked for that on top of putting a few $1,000s into it today. He said his goals are another 100,000 miles. Easy if you listen to me. If you listen to the other clowns out here, this won't make it. I have another customer Silverado, 450,000 miles, 5.3. He wasn't the original owner, got that vehicle secondhand. It had issues, and we've been nursing through the issues for 250,000 miles, still original motor and transmission. You can do it too. Take care of what you got, maintenance it properly, find a good mechanic that knows the ins and outs and how to maintenance and advise sooner maintenance, and you too could be payment free and offset what's going on in the world very easily today by not having a car payment, or even for your future. Go solar. Thanks for watching.